This is Stephanie from statisticshowto.com, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make a scatter plot in Minitab. I've entered my data into two columns. I want to make a scatter plot of GPA for 9th through 12th grades. Click Graph, Scatter Plot, and I'm going to choose a simple scatter plot, so click OK. I need to enter the names for my Y variables, my X variables. My Y variables are going to be my grades, 9th through 12th. Click Select. And my X variable is going to be my GPA. Click Select. Click OK to create the scatter plot. And here's a scatter plot of my GPA versus my grade. It's put in an automatic Y scale of some half numbers here, which are pretty meaningless for me. I don't want a 9.5 grade, so double click on that to open the Edit Scale box. I'm going to select 4 as my number of ticks. Click OK. And there it's removed the ticks in between. That's how to make a scatter plot in Minitab. This is Stephanie from statisticshowto.com.